going on, Skid? Got a GE dishwasher. It's not coming on. It's just buzzing. You hear that buzzing? It's gonna be an easy fix, no matter what brand you got. They all pretty much do this. Everyone I've ever worked on. Take this bottom plate off here. This should be a good one for you new guys. It's a pretty easy fix. So you can just go ahead and jump in and start banging out WOs. They all pretty much do this. Oh, look at that, no cover on the wiring. Beautiful. Some water trickled down into here from a leak. But we're not here for that, we're here for buzzing dishwasher. So yeah, no matter what brand you're working on, they all pretty much do this. Every property I've worked on had different styles, different brands of dishwasher, and this is a pretty common repair I've always had to make on them. Alright, you see these little teeth in here inside this motor? Get you a flat head. You want to try to spin them, it's locked up. They usually just break through like that. Yep. That was an easy one. Sometimes they're a little more difficult. Then you just turn your old dishwasher on and they should start spinning. There we go, no more buzzing. Yep, just get you an old flatty and break these teeth loose. It usually happens when they don't run it for a while. Some people are hand washers, they don't use the dishwasher and the old motor will lock up. Alright, let's give it an old test run. Alright, it's running good now, Skid Bros. Easy fix. It's a good one for you new guys. And again, Skid shirts still on sale till Friday. And I'm going to get a box for that, cover that up. Alright, hope this helps. Thank you for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.